If you are a manufacturer transitioning from discontinued 3M Novec fluids, we have answers. With 3M's phase out of Novec fluids, MicroCare has developed excellent choices for vapor degreasing. MicroCare Engineered Fluids are precision-matched replacements for Novec Specialty Fluids using your existing equipment. Our alternatives ensure seamless transitions with identical or superior performance so that you can switch today. There is no costly requalification, no operational disruptions, and no compromises in performance. Our replacement fluids effectively remove oils, grease, fluxes, and contaminants while being safe for delicate electronics and part surfaces. MicroCare Novec replacements are formulated in New Britain, Connecticut, and available for immediate global shipment. No import delays, no supply chain worries, just reliable performance. Ready for you. Looking for a more future-proof cleaning solution? Turgo Performance Fluids comply with today's environmental regulations and are engineered to meet the evolving standards of tomorrow. Achieve unmatched cleaning power while you reduce environmental impact and ensure long-term compliance. MicroCare is your trusted partner in critical cleaning. Our specialists provide contamination analysis, cleaning tests, process optimization, and on-site training to ensure a smooth transition. Don't wait! Start your cleaning fluid transition now. Contact MicroCare or schedule a free expert consultation at microcare.com/free consult. MicroCare Engineered Fluids and Turgo Performance Fluids. Seamless solutions for today, better choices for tomorrow at microcare.com.